guys, June 2nd, 2022. This one here I got a call from a guy. He said that he's got a problem with his AC. I guess the drain goes into the gutter or something, and he had a problem with it leaking down through the house last year. So he's calling me and wants me to go over there and see if I can figure out what's going on. I'm probably gonna have to go up in the attic and see what the hell's going on up there. Maybe it just lost its charge and iced up. Who knows? Anyway, we're going over there now and see if we can figure out what's... He's an older retired guy. He's an older retired guy. I don't think I've ever worked for him before, so... We'll see what's going on. Try to get you some shots. Secondary pan filter on crazy bad. Might just be low on gas. Might have iced up. Unbelievable. That's a deep trap there. What do we got here? We got one 12-inch return. What a flipping joke, huh? Unbelievable. I got 2 8s, 4 8s, 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little ranch. 2.5 ton will do it. Not even a secondary pan. Definitely some stuff coming out of there. How small the flipping line is going up there. Wow. Tiny. Look at the pan's just all rotted up there. The 22 unit. Sure. Crazy low, a little bit. Look at the suction part. Look at the suction line, how small it is. Look how small the suction line is. It's 1/4 inch. I have high head pressure with that, so it's a restriction. Got high subcooling. That's because of that suction line so small. This ain't crazy bad here. I mean, I gotta add a little bit, bring that superheat down. See, we're at 60 and 30. I mean, add a little gas to it. Whoa. It's a little low on the gas. Might have iced up too. Add gas to it. Iced up for you. I'd have to have some. Bring the levels up. That's too high. I want to bring that 58 up if I can't see the suction. Try to bring that up a little bit and see if we give a little Dundee. Superheat down. She won't jump out, no. Heidi, yeah. She's only 5 pounds. Miss Molly. Alright, see we're at 64 there, that's not going to freeze up like that. I'll show you what that is. It's better like that. Ah, 22. 64 is 37 degrees. It's above freezing. High subcooling because of the liquid line he's got here, the big restriction. So we're gonna let that run like that right there. And we're gonna see if it condensates out that drain. Give it a little time. $250's not too bad on the head pressure. It's not too crazy. We don't even know if this is matching equipment, to be honest with you. I like to have this above 60 on the suction, right? That's right around freezing, so we'll leave it right there. And hopefully we get some action out the other end of the drain. See any water, so hopefully it goes out the drain. Either it's gonna go out the drain or it's gonna leak out the flipping pan, one of the two. far so good. I think it just probably was a little low on gas. And look at the access ports on the other side. You can't even get to it. You gotta pull the motor out. You have to pull all the flexors out. Dum-dum. Need a new system here. A little 2.5 tonner in here. Another return. Maybe better. Looks like what, a 12-inch return for the one 12-inch return. That's not enough. We cleaned out the condensate line. We charged it up. So if it leaks, we know that the main pan's rotted, leaking if it leaks into the sealant again. It's running now, it's running. You want to come look at it?
No, I don't know what's up there.
You got lucky. She got lucky. I just left that job. She was an older lady. Her husband's in a nursing home. She ain't got no money, and the guy who put that system in should have put a secondary pan under that unit, but they didn't. So, I mean, it's an old system. It's not worth playing with it. It's one thing, put a little gas in it, clean, you know, vacuum out the line or something. But anything, if the pan was rotted or anything like that, it would need a replacement. So, not cheap. So I got it going for her, and she was happy. I told her if it starts leaking through the sealant again, I don't think the pan is rotted because it wouldn't be coming out that condensate line. I vacuumed the condensate line up in the gutter. I topped off the charge because it was below 60 and then that could ice up. So the problem is, if you ever got to get that fan out of that unit up there, they got it up in backwards, so you can't even get to the fan. It's like against the joist, against the sealant up there. Stupid. Can't even have access to that thing. So whatever. Put a little gas in it for it, vacuumed out the thing, and let it rip. What are you gonna do? Do the best you can. No miracle worker. Can't make a Mercedes out of a Volkswagen.